In this video, I'll guide you through how to download and install TeamViewer for Windows. By the end, you'll have TeamViewer up and running on your computer so you can easily access or support other devices remotely. Let's start from the very beginning on your Windows PC. First, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any other browser you like to use. In the address bar at the top of the window, type in teamviewer.com and press enter on your keyboard. This will take you to the official TeamViewer website, which is the safest place to download the software. Once the TeamViewer homepage loads, take a moment to let everything appear fully so you don't miss the options you need. At the top right corner of the page, you should see a button labeled Free Download. This is the option that gives you the standard version of TeamViewer for personal use. Move your mouse to that button and click on Free Download. After you click, the site may either scroll you down to a download section or immediately start the download, depending on your browser and the current website layout. On this page or section, look for the option that says Download TeamViewer. Click on Download TeamViewer to begin downloading the installer file to your computer. You might see a prompt asking where you want to save the file, or your browser might automatically place it in your Downloads folder. Either way, wait for the download to complete. In many browsers, you'll see the progress at the bottom of the window or in a small download icon near the top right. Once the download is finished, it's time to open your download manager and install TeamViewer. In most cases, you can simply click on the downloaded file directly from your browser's download bar or panel. The file will typically have a name similar to TeamViewer setup.exe. If you don't see it there, open your File Explorer, go to your Downloads folder, and double-click the TeamViewer installer file. When you run the installer, Windows may ask you to confirm that you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. This is a standard security prompt. Click Yes to continue. The TeamViewer setup window will open. Here, you may be asked to choose basic options, such as whether you want to install TeamViewer for personal use or business use, and whether you want to install it or just run it one time. For most home users, choosing installation for personal use is the right option. Follow the on-screen instructions, clicking Next or Accept when prompted. Read any license agreement or terms so you understand what you're installing, then continue through the installer until you see the progress bar complete. This process may take a minute or two, depending on your system. When the installation is finished, TeamViewer will usually open automatically. If it doesn't, you can find it by clicking the Start button in Windows and searching for TeamViewer. Launch the app and you're ready to start using it for remote support and access. That's all you need to do to download and install TeamViewer for Windows.